Hello people.
Hello people.
Today we're going to
Epcot!
and tomorrow we're going to
Magic Kingdom!
and we're gonna capture it all on camera.
They'll be okay. We'll come back.
Hello everyone, it is Thursday afternoon, which means that I did not film Magic Kingdom yesterday, which I'm gonna explain, and then I'm gonna wrap up this vlog because if I don't, then I'm not gonna be able to post it till Monday, and maybe Tuesday because I still have to edit it. So, why I didn't film Magic Kingdom yesterday is because it's really awkward filming at a park when no one has any idea who the heck you are and why you're filming. So it's like you're just holding up a camera, because I was trying to hold it up so that no one would get in it. Like I tried very hard to not get a lot of random people in it, because there's like hundreds of people at the park and you don't want to get random strangers in your videos. But it was really hard because I also didn't want to film myself because that would be awkward in itself. So I have an idea for next week's video, but it's not this week's video, but it's not completely like ready yet. Like I don't know if I'm gonna do it. I might do something else, but it's an idea. It's a start. Okay, I hope you like this video, and I hope you like and subscribe because that would make me happy. Just keep smiling, keep laughing, and keep watching. See you guys next week. Bye bye.